Caregiver/personal aide. Waiter. Pool shark. Egg teller. Dining hall employee. Bartender. Freelance writer. Pizza delivery. Campus IT support. Lifeguard. Fitness trainer/aerobics instructor. Athletics assistant. Teacher's assistant TA. Seasonal worker. Online data entry. Library worker. Resident advisor RA. Cashier. Barista. Hostess. Receptionist. Nanny/babysitter. Theater/event worker. Lab assistant. Campus tour guide. Research assistant. Tutor.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.